What's that one Shakira song? That thong, ta thong, thong, thong. He thinks he's the ripstick god. I'm the ripstick god. All right, guys, we are here today with Gabe Cruz.
Aaron, Gabe Cruz is my old name.
Your new name is?
The Ripstick God.
That's your old name!
Yeah, we're back, baby.
We're back, baby!
We're bringing back the roots.
We're here today with the ripstick god, the unadulterated, unqualified, unequivocal ripstick god!
And the Ripstick Air Pro, which is the best ripstick you can get.
So, we are going to Rochambeau, and then we're gonna set a timer to see who can land the first ripstick kickflip, or can we even?
Do you have any predictions?
I don't think I can do it, and I think you'll do it.
You don't think you can kickflip a ripstick?
No, I'm just kidding. I can do it.
I think you're gonna win.
You think so?
I think so. I mean, I'm always betting on myself, but.
First try?
Okay. Wait, does that mean I go first or you want to go first?
I don't want to go first.
Okay.
I don't want to go at all. Just kidding.
All right.
I always want to go at all. But I'm going to start a timer as well. That's what I am on my phone for. Set timer. Start. Okay, the time is rolling.
I think I'm gonna use some of the time to get used to it again.
That's where he's going wrong. I'm landing this first try.
Yep. I mean, the hips don't lie. It's like riding a bike, man. You just never forget.
What's that one Shakira song? This girl is on fire.
You're like 0 for 3 on songs today.
Tell me that's not Shakira.
That's not. With that one song. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman.
That thong, ta thong, thong, thong.
All right, Aaron, this is hard. I think I'm changing it up today. I realize I'm being a little lax with the time, but I'm so not faithful in Aaron's ripstick abilities that I can just coast to this victory right now.
Okay. Think so, huh?
Oh, yeah, I know so.
Are we putting a wager down on this? Coffee. First person to land it.
Yeah, you're in danger.
You going that way?
I think so. Should I not?
Whatever you like. I'm not giving you advice. It's my turn.
Oh, I thought we're timed.
Oh, time. Oh, we're doing time?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought we were going back and forth, one and then the other. Oh boy, I would have landed it already. He thinks he's the ripstick god. I'm the ripstick god. You want to know how to ripstick? I ripstick.
Can you get out of my land zone, huh?
I love how he thinks he's gonna land going up. The thing about the ripstick is you have to land with speed. He's not even popping with speed, let alone land with speed. That's why we called the video, Can Gabe Cruz Still Kickflip a Ripstick? We didn't say, watch Gabe Cruz kickflip a ripstick.
Oh, I figured it out. I figured it out.
That's it. You know what we need to do? Ripstick God Origins video.
How you doing? Yeah. Trying to get the kickflip.
Wow. Here we go, Gabe Cruz. Here we go.
I mean, just in that one try, a lot has changed.
Why?
I'm not telling you any of my secrets.
I already know what they are. I can see what's occurring. He was putting his foot higher, now he's putting his foot lower, more towards the middle. Towards the middle to get better flick.
Right here, this is it.
Those pressure flips he's working on. I thought we were going head to head. I'll grab the timer at this point.
This is absolutely exhausting.
Oh! So the thing about the ripstick, you think, wow, he's really close. He flipped it and landed on it. But ripstick land, this is a whole different world. We're 3 minutes, 45 seconds
Only
in.
Only 3?
If I would have guessed.
Oh, I'm chilling.
I would have said we were at least 10 minutes in, but only somehow 4 minutes has elapsed. Wow. And you have to land and rip away. You gotta rip away.
Don't you worry about that.
Leave it in the comments below if you've seen that video of the girl with the bucket and she ripsticks by the camera and farts. I know you've all seen it.
Might want to get slow-mo on.
I'm the timer! I'm timing this. He's right, I am gonna slow-mo.
This is so chill. This is so small to me. No big deal. I don't need slow-mo. I'm not gonna show this to my kids in 20 years.
What happened?
Ow.
What happened there?
Ow.
You got it, Cruz. Hold up, let's see what the timer's at. 6 minutes! I'm gonna smoke him.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make go mad. I'm tired. Fudge, that was it. Felt so goddamn good.
You got it, Cruz. Yes, sir. You okay?
Yeah, it hurt.
Yeah, ouch. You hit the wheel, I think. Now Chloe knows why we were scared of the ripstick. It's freaking dangerous. It's hard. It's way harder than a skateboard. Stupid.
You ever have an idea you immediately regret as soon as you start doing it?
Yes, I knew it was gonna be a tough one. 8 minutes, 51 seconds in. I love how at the beginning we all talk all this smack and then we start to try it and we're like, this is hard, it's too hard.
All right, just do it, dude, come on.
That was
Superhero landing.
That was it. Now we're cooking.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the hardest one to kickflip on.
Really?
Yeah.
The other ones are easier.
Way easier. I don't actually think I've ever kickflipped this one. All right, right here. Oh my God.
You got it, boy. Believe in yourself. Never give up.
This is so difficult.
He's struggling out there. I'm just over here laughing, but wait till it's my turn on this freaking ripstick. 10 minutes.
Oh God.
You had it. Sun's out, buns out.
Yeah, it's hot now. All right, Aaron, right here.
Yeah, get it. Yeah, that's it right there.
Ah! Good luck, bro.
I got this. One try. One try.
I'm gonna land this kickflip and I'm gonna celebrate.
13 minutes.
I feel like I've been going for an hour.
It's okay, you got it.
This thing is the devil.
No, you're the god of this world. This is your world, Gabe. I feel like you gotta have a little more speed because when you land, you gotta be able to go. Dancing made simple, volume 1 coming soon. That was it, Gabe.
Oh, dude, this is tough.
17 minutes in. Can Gabe Cruz still kickflip a ripstick? Nope, he can't. And then we just end it.
I don't want to let my people down.
No, you can't let them down. Yeah.
Oh my God, I thought that was it.
Because it was it.
Ah.
That was it. That's what I'm saying about the speed when you land, though.
Dude, I don't know that I could do it any
Look
other way.
at this catch. Yeah. You're right on there. That was perfect. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yeah, baby. That baby, that counts.
Yes.
Stop that timer. Stop that timer. That counts. That counts. I'm about to cry.
You're under 20 minutes.
That counts, right?
19 minutes,
Come on.
59 seconds. 19 minutes, 59 seconds.
Oh my God.
You did it. Was that hard?
Oh my God. We need 1 minute before you start.
Okay, because I was smart to go first because now I know exactly what time there is to beat. I should have went and peed during that time because I got to pee so bad I'm about to pee my pants. But, okay, so should I just kickflip this thing?
Yeah.
Like easy money?
Yeah.
Man, I mean, it was a little cheater. I dragged a little bit.
Yeah?
Can I see it before you go?
Yeah.
I mean, it was so cheater, but I mean, come on. That's pretty good. Oh, dude, that was so cheat.
Nope.
That was so
As long
cheat.
as you kept ripping, it was good.
We're gonna be really gracious about what we allow from you.
You kept ripping. Okay, you
All
ready?
right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Okay, ready, Gabe?
Oh yeah.
You ready, Gabe? You ready?
All right, let's see what he's got.
Ouch!
Yep, okay. 25 seconds down. Oh, now.
I can't.
Yep. Oh, those hips don't lie.
These hips don't lie.
Oh no.
Tell Shakira.
would be proud. Oh, yeah, he's gonna land it in like 3 minutes. I'm completely washed.
I thought I had it first try, to be honest.
Okay.
That pigeon was...
Dude, did you see that thing?
Yeah.
That was like Mach 5 for a pigeon.
He was coming straight after you.
Yeah, practice steps. I don't know why I didn't think of that.
Now I got it. You ready? This one's for you.
Oh, I mean,
Dang
that was
it.
really good if we're doing half a flip.
Okay, that's it. Let's put these Crocs in sport mode.
All right, looping around, yep. Oh, see, the foundational ripstick skill is not there.
I'm just getting started. I'm way too old for this.
You're already at 3 minutes and 10.
3 minutes, that's it? Watch me under 5 minutes. Tell me I won't.
We got the pedestrians going and causing some distractions too. I love this. I need all the help I can get.
Why do they call it the Ripstick Pro?
Oh, just not quite. Close but no tamale.
I should have got the Rip Surf.
Hey, if someone told you to bubble flip right now, could you do it?
No, I don't even know what it is.
Shout out Mario.
Shout out
Wherever
Mario.
you are
This is
in
for
world,
Mario.
I hope you are well, my friend. Oh! See, but getting the flip and actually landing, two completely different things. But look at those moves.
I'm just getting my hips loosened up, you know? Oh, let's get it!
Oh, snap.
What'd you say again? I'm sorry, what was that?
There's something so funny about like the young skateboard generation pulling up on the board and then you see Aaron riding a ripstick around. Like it's so on brand. Oh, He's beginning to believe. Yeah, go ahead. You know, just spend the next 15 minutes gloating and then I'll win. Yes, sir. The ripstick god takes no prisoners. Oh.
I know what I'm doing wrong, and I know what it does look
Getting
like.
a little warm out, isn't it, Cairo?
To do it right. The heat's on, ain't it, Cruz?
6 minutes and 5, nothing to show for it yet.
I need to pop later.
Do your worst.
Like,
you do your worst.
click slower.
Oh man, I'm ready for a nap. Oh.
Wait, what are we at?
You're at 6 minutes and 45.
Oh, I missed it.
Chloe!
Oh my gosh.
Well, now you're at 7 minutes.
I'm about to show you what 7 minutes looks like.
Body! Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a ripstick go mad. Yeah, he wished. He really wished.
Woo!
Yep. I love how when you scream in the middle of San Francisco at the top of your lungs, no one even bats an eye.
I know.
I love this city. Oh man, oh man. 7:55.
Under 10-minute club, let's go.
Dude, those are the best ones.
Right here, first try.
Oh, I mean, hey, they're looking really good though. I'll be 100% honest with you.
Okay, I'm gonna land this, and then I'm gonna rip straight into coffee.
I like this idea. This is a good idea.
That was it too. I need to stop being a little beep. Don't beep it out, beep it.
Dang it. I gotta renew my parking in 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
I'm under 10 minutes club.
You're at
Dang
9,
it, I wanted
you're at
under 10
9:30.
minutes club. 9:30?
You got 10 minutes and 15 seconds before you lose.
I'm at 9:30. I can get under 10 minutes. Okay, right here, under 10 minutes. You ready? What's the timer?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Minute. He is ripping and he is sticking, but is he rip sticking? I'm so tired. What is the equivalent of a hole-in-one in golf? I mean, in skateboarding.
This.
Like first try.
First try, yeah. First try.
Just so you know, Aaron, you're already at 11 minutes, so the time is going fast.
11?
Those last 10 minutes, they start going real quick, just so you know. Careful with my hand, please. My hand is in a lot of pain.
I needed a little ripstick god on me.
I just want you to know that no energy was transferred right there. I kept it all within.
I just want you to know that all the energy was transferred right into this beautiful, delicious
That's
ripstick
what she-
kickflip. Landed perfectly clean.
Oh, I got. Hey, you actually got some looks on that one. Some people
Finally.
look back all concerned, like, what the hell? I will have you know that he was filming me slow-mo while he was taking my time. So technically, I got a 4-second buffer here. I knew it was going wrong the second you went into the lighter squares.
Okay, that's it right here. He's trying to mess with me.
I'm not doing
We ain't
anything.
playing games.
I am just doing what I'm supposed to do. You know, I'm just sitting here and relishing in my victory and providing some commentary for the people watching this video. We appreciate each and every one of you, but we're just providing the entertainment. Damn it.
What? Say what? That's okay. Guess what? 2 to make it true. You think I'm scared? I live on a ripstick. Never mind.
12-19-35. Respect where respect is due. Honorable challenge, honorable competition, honorable beatdown.
Well, we know this is the pro ripstick, the hardest ripstick to kickflip in the history of ripsticks.
It is actually harder, I think, than the standard one.
There are muscles in my feet right now which didn't want to move ever again, and now they're telling me
There are muscles that have not been worked in many moons.
to please stop.
Yep.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow Gabe Cruz on his Instagram account.
And the answer, can I still kickflip a ripstick, is yes. We both can.
You're
Let's
damn licking we can.
Let's go get some coffee.
Let's go.